Jersey number 28. Jersey number 28,
49-33.
Steal by jersey number 6. Jersey number 6, Jimmy Gordon, big class, and moving up.
Score natin 49-33. 16-point lead by Roca.
Jersey number 2, 19-second shot clock. Pass to jersey number 10, pass to jersey number 24, Chilaputo. Jersey number 24, 15-second shot clock. Jersey number 24, Jimmy the ball, 10 seconds. Jersey number 4, 24. 5 seconds, 2 meter, no good. Jersey number 16 seconds, no different. Jersey number 28 passes jersey number 27, Biga. Jersey number 27, nabitaw na bola sa kanya pa rin. 15 second shot up. Jersey number 28, no good, Napolino bola, Napolino. Jersey number 28, Chua Coco pass jersey number 23.
Ayun na si Lance, Chua Coco.
Who's foul left? Jersey number 11. Jersey number 11, first personal foul and first team foul. Roca by jersey number 6. Sad. Jersey number 6, recross pass jersey number 8, no good. Now by jersey number 13, steal by jersey number 16, cross. 2 meter, good for 2. Jersey number 6, pass to jersey number 8. Aguinaldo dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 8. Jersey number 8, trading pass to jersey number 8. Numero 3. 3 puntos. Shout to Ray Tavelli. I'm super happy, 49. Jersey number 24. No good. Back on jersey number 36, pass to jersey number 8. Jersey number 8, Aguinaldo dribbling the ball. Long 3. No good. That is jersey number 28. Chua Coco. Dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 20. Nagalas. And there's the foul. Jersey number 28. Pushing foul. Jersey number 28. First personal foul and second team foul. Jersey number 6, winning was to the press. No good. Now for jersey number 8, Aguinaldo naman na pass jersey number 3. Good for 2. Jersey number 6, pass jersey number 28. Pass jersey number 24. 2 meter, no good. Now for jersey number 7, pass jersey number 8. Aguinaldo dribbling the ball. Bantay Sarador, 15 second shot. Segundo ulit ang 3 puntos. Score po natin, 61-40. Lamang pa rin ang Roca mga kapatid.
51-40, 11-point lead by Roca.
11 ang kalamangan. Jersey number 28. Pass to jersey number 23.
Grabe! Accuracy.
Jersey number 7, pass to jersey number 8. Aguinaldo.
54-40 ang score natin.
Jersey number 8, Aguinaldo, dribbling the ball. Umilaw na tracks. No good. Nakakuha na red ang bola. Jersey number 7, pass to jersey number 3, Adriano. Good for 2.
54-42. 12-point lead by Roca.
Jersey number 8. Dribbling the ball, 15 second shot. Laganas to win at pass.
Whoa! Nice one. Binanda lang.
Jersey number 8, Aguinaldo. Jersey number 8, Aguinaldo.
57-42.
Diretso. Pass jersey number
57-44.
out of bounds.